Welcome to Twin Bush. There's a new tips and tricks episode today. I'm Bernd Stegmiller. Today we'll show you the purpose of a maintenance unit and the setting for our tire changes. Our machines use two different designs. A somewhat smaller design is used on the X11 and X610 models. All other models use this bigger design with more oil volume. On this side we see the pressure regulator with the water separator and the pressure indicator. The container below can be dismantled. It should be cleaned regularly. There is a component under the container. This is the automatic water separator function. This function is normally preset. If the machine has no pressure, meaning it is separated from the air supply, the container will drain itself. This means the accumulated condensation will drip out when the machine has no pressure. The second component is the pneumatic lubricator. Oil is filled in this container. The oil is needed to lubricate the air cylinders, so that all torque joints and other parts built into the machine, in the foot pedal valves, on the pneumatic actuators, on the clamping cylinders and on the bead breaker are kept smooth and flexible. We recommend using commercial hydraulic oil, the same we use on our lifts. Pneumatic oil for pneumatic tools can also be used without problems. The air pressure can be adjusted with this knob. This means the full inlet pressure provided by your air compressor comes in and the pressure for the machine is reduced. The setting should not exceed 10 bar. When the knob is pulled out, it can be adjusted. Turning clockwise increases the pressure. You can lock the knob when the pressure is right. It's protected from readjustments. The pneumatic lubricator on this side is also adjustable. There's a sight glass up here. With full airflow, oil drops are seen through the sight glass. For our tire changes we recommend 6 to 10 oil drops per minute for full airflow, which can be seen here in the sight glass. This can be adjusted on the lubricator with a small screwdriver. It has to fit in exactly at the top. Turning counterclockwise increases the number of drops. Turning clockwise reduces the amount of oil. Both containers can also be unscrewed from the smaller maintenance unit. You can clearly see on our set, condensation accumulates and there's also an automatic drainage here. The pressure is also adjustable here by pulling the knob. Less pressure, more pressure, then it can be locked in the same way. A small difference here, no special screwdriver is needed for the lubricator. It can be adjusted with a knob on the side. And then we should see the drops on the small tube through the sight glass. The best way to check the settings is as follows. We simply activate the bead breaker non-stop. Open, close. Now with the smaller model. The sight glass through which we see the drops. A short summary. There should be oil in the lubricator. Condensation shouldn't accumulate excessively in the water separator. Separate the air supply from the machine or drain it manually. No matter which container you unscrew, always depressurize the machine beforehand.